halfway at least.
Bye, Mom.
Well, have fun.
Okay, kia ora and welcome to class everybody. We have a new student today, Taylor. I'm sure you'll do your best to make her feel well. Taylor, why don't you come and have a seat down by Jake?
Hi. I'm Taylor. You're Jade, right?
I've got my one next week. The house not in for it yet.
Does anyone know what this class is? Move your ball. Jade?
Writing task is due on the 13th of April. Please put that in your diary.
Is this year 11 English?
Yes, it is. You're late. Sit down.
Sorry, I'm new.
How did your day go, sweetie?
This should help you catch up to the rest of the class.
This will help you catch up.
Okay, today we're going to be doing a practical. I'll put you into pairs. Ashley and Taylor, you'll be together.
This is such a pretty color. You're new, eh?
Yeah, I just moved from Central High School.
So do you want to come to lunch with us?
Sure. Who's us?
Hi. This is Taylor. She just moved from Central High School.
Hi.
This is Mark, Lucy, Emily.
So you went to Central High School. So do you know Corey Baxter?
No, sorry, I don't know anyone called
What subjects you taking?
Well, besides math and English, physics.
Ew, science? All the teachers at this school suck.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Snyder.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. She gives like truckloads of homework, which is super bad.
So for the party tonight?
You can come find me. My mum will just arrive. I'll show you. Go see
Hey, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. I hate reflection pieces.
Yeah, me too.
Why ruin a good thing?
What's your name?
Billy, what's yours?
I'm Taylor. I'm new.
Taylor,
Yeah?
I have a really promising job opportunity at the university
That's great, Mom.
in Auckland.
What are you saying?
We're gonna have to move again.